Hello guys, this is David and you're watching Btekt. And today I've got the EOZ Air wireless buds. Now these are a pair of headphones with 8mm drivers coated in graphene. And they sound amazing. Funny enough, I got these the day before I got the Galaxy Buds, which was the day before I went to NWC, and I didn't want to take both pairs with me. So I had a quick listen to each one of them, and this one sounds far better than the Galaxy Bud. Inside this box, you'll find the earphones themselves, the charging case, the USB Type-C cable, lots of spare earbuds, and an EOZ or EOZ membership card. So I've been using these for about 2 weeks now. The sound is rich and bassy. The charging case is made of high quality plastics with a nice brush finish to it. It's not what I would call large, but it's definitely larger than other AirPods that I've used. But it's still small enough to fit in your pocket quite nicely. It has USB Type-C connectivity and a 2200 mAh battery. So that's plenty of spare capacity, giving you up to 90 hours of playback. They have an IPX6 water and dust resistance rating, meaning they're able to withstand heavy jets of water for a sustained period of time. They're not rated for submersion in water, but they should be okay for any sort of weather that you might come across. And theoretically, you should even be able to wear them in the shower, although I don't know why you would want to do that. You got to clean your ears as well, you know. I want to say a big thank you to Direct Mobiles for looking after us here at Btekt. Over 24 years of award-winning customer service, so you're bound to find a great deal in your next handset. Check in the video description and you'll find a link to their deals, or search directmobiles.co.uk. There is a microphone built into each earpiece to pick up your voice when you're speaking on the phone. There's no pass-through audio though, so when you're wearing these headphones, you are pretty much deaf. I think one reason that they sound so good is that they do create a good seal within your ears. So even if there's no music playing, you can barely hear anything around you. Along with that very deep bass, you get really clear mid-range and sharp top end. It's a great listening experience. I really like the design of these headphones. There's no physical buttons, but this flat area here is a touchpad. Touch it once to stop or start the music, tap on the left one twice to go forward, or tap on the right one twice to go back, or tap 3 times to get your Google Assistant. Performance wise, for me, the only drawback is with those dual microphones. They're great for talking to people if you're in a quiet room, but they tend to pick up a lot of the noise around you. So a few people have told me whilst I've been speaking on the phone to them that they can't really hear me because of the environment that I'm in. Take both the headsets out the case and they'll pair up automatically. Then just go to your Bluetooth settings and find the headphones there. Tap connect and that's it. I have had a little trouble sometimes with getting them to pair together with each other. If I take the wrong one out of the case first, then they don't pair up with each other. They're still connected and you can still use the one that's not working to control the device, but you're not getting any sound out of it. So you have to repair them. To do it, you've got to turn the buds off, then turn them on again, but hold the button down for 15 seconds. They'll flash 3 times twice. Once they do that, tap on each one 4 times and it will enter pairing mode. Then hold the button down for 2 seconds and turn it off. Turn them on again and then they'll pair back with each other and then reconnect to your device. I've had to do it quite a few times, which is not something that I've had to do at all with other headphones such as the Galaxy Buds or my Odera Air ones that I've been using for ages. So initially that was kind of a big mark off these headphones for me, but I've kind of got used to it and now I know how to avoid having to repair them. But I just can't fault the sound quality that you get from these very discreet headphones. And if you're listening to music that's directly downloaded to your device, none of this Spotify stuff, if you're listening to the original track, then the sound is just so rich and so crisp. Definitely recommended pair of headphones, especially for the money, just £85. For that kind of price, I'm honestly thinking about buying myself another colour. They definitely come recommended, but only for a certain type of user. If you're the kind of person that wants to be able to hear the sound around you as well as your music, then you need to look elsewhere because you're practically deaf when you're using these. But for using down the gym or for sports, these are perfect. You've got a long playback time, good water and dust resistance, and they look good too. Yeah, I really do like these headphones. Good quality, good design, and powerful sound. What more could you want? You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. It's @Btekt, or add me on Snapchat, david.btekt. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's David, and this is Btekt.